I'm not going to talk about the tattoo part now. You know, I leave it to the old man because he's the master, he's the grandmaster of tattooing. And I'm going to speak about my own life and my experience as a tattooist.
So my name is Mikaele Oloa. I was born here in Hawaii, but I was raised in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and also Orlando, Florida, so far, far away from home. This is my lovely wife.
My name is Langi Oloa.
I've been dancing fire knife, Fiafia, for pretty much most of my life. I started when I was 11. My father's the one that taught me.
So I started when I was 8 years old. I started doing stretching and helping cleaning the tattoos and also the tools, everything. Yeah. So it's just by watching him all that time. As a son, you have to listen and do every few hours that happen in your house. That's what you do. So it wasn't a job, but I did it because I was scared because he's my dad.
We have auntie and uncle over for the Aganu'u 101 classes. We feel honoured and blessed. Anytime we have family over, it's always about giving our best, showing our fa'aloalo, our respect to them, you know, not as just auntie and uncle, but as makais too.
So he didn't have a choice, so he tattooed me. On my birthday, the first strike on my back, I was like, man, I don't know what I put myself through. It was like a life change thing for me. It was granted in me that I have to be the tattooist.
And I said, oh my gosh. So I kind of like studied the Suwapis because I always heard their names.
When I got the title from Dad and them, the function we're doing, but I didn't understand until I went back to Samoa. That's when it clicked in my head. And I had to come back to Hawaii and change. And now, my tattooing career is a purpose now. And Methodist is one of the most powerful churches in Tonga. And those were the ones that they kind of, in the 1830s, they got rid of it. But it didn't die out then. It was still a favor to the Tongan people, so they kept going to Samoa to receive their tattoos all the way to the 1950s.
And I asked my sua that had asked me years back. Sorry. See, I'm still learning. And that's why I'm here in class. Nice. I'm going to get mine together.
And this is one reason why I'm taking the class too. It's important that I have to know the Fa'a Samoa too, as well as the Whakatonga.
Well, Jamaica is the island, we say under the sun. And that's where we're born, but with everything strong.
Well, Chief Sielu Ave is my uncle. And so it's awesome working over there, you know. It's good to be around a lot of Samoans. Because I'm actually half Filipino. I'm half Samoan, half Filipino.
We have a Tatao motorcycle club here in Hawaii. And I'm honored to be the founder of the Tatao MC. I have my brother over there, he's a sergeant, Bisa. When we first started the club, it's a family club. Today it's still a family club. No gang, it's not a gang. We have autism right, we have sick people, school, we have school running, you know, rights and all that. We're trying to find a way to keep our people out of trouble. Instead of going and do something stupid, excuse my language, let them enjoy riding bikes, but in a club.
Growing up in the mainland, I reckon this was the only thing that I had. You know, this is the only cultural thing that I was able to grow up around was the dancing. You know, so I try my best to portray the best that I can, what I know of Samoa. And I hope that makes my country proud. You know, I'm proud of my country, and I hope I make them proud as well.
And I thank you, the Su'a family, for returning those tools back to our shores. Like I always say, it didn't die out, it just went to sleep. And all we did was just wake it up, and I had to go wake up the master and say, please, tell me a story. And ever since that, he's been telling stories all the time, me, my brothers and them, and I share the same burden as them. I serve the family always humbly, and the story's still going.
Man, it's like a show that's going, like it's still rolling in front of me every single day. Thank you for the opportunity to be here and share this.
So thank you guys.
Hello.
I'm proud.
Hands together, guys. Halfway, we'll pass halfway for this program. However, guys, it doesn't end this Saturday. As you know, we've said from day one, Aganu'u is a long journey. It's a lifetime journey. It's something that you're going to continue after this. Practice, practice, practice. You need to keep the fire burning.